Hello friends, welcome to Shru's Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click on notification bell to get notified with all my new healthy and tasty recipe. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Today's recipe is vegetable upma, commonly known as Upittu. It is originally from South India and a hot favorite breakfast of India. The ingredients needed are 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped potato, 1 chopped capsicum, 1 cup dry peas soaked in water overnight and boiled. If you are using fresh green peas, you can use it raw, no need of soaking and boiling. 5 to 6 chopped green chilies, curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and 1 cup grated coconut. 1 cup dry roasted garam semolina, commonly known as Bombay Rava or Upit Rava. Do not use rava directly, you have to use it dry roasted. Pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon mustard and salt for the taste. And oil. Keep vessel on the stove and add 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated up. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard. Add pinch of turmeric. Add chopped onions and fry it for 2 or 3 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes and cook it for a minute. Adding vegetables to upma not only makes it tastier but also healthier. Now add chopped carrot. Give a nice mix. Now add soaked and boiled dry peas. Add chopped potato. Add chopped capsicum. Give a nice mix for a minute. Add grated coconut and give a nice mix. Add chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add 1:2 water with respect to the amount of rava you have taken. I have taken 1 cup rava, so I am adding 2 cups of water. Add 1 cup extra water to cook vegetables, so in total I am adding 3 cups of water. Add salt for the taste and mix well. Now let it boil. After it starts boiling, keep the flame high, cover the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, vegetables are cooked well. Just check whether vegetables are cooked well or not by pressing it from your fingers. It's been cooked well, but if you feel vegetables are not cooked well, then cover the lid and wait for 5 more minutes. Now add dry roasted garam semolina, also called as Bombay Rava, and stir well. Rava is loaded with vitamin B, protein and iron. Add rava in the small quantity as shown in the video and mix well. Do not add whole rava at once. Now it has been mixed well. Keep the flame medium, cover the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, upma will be in this consistency. Now mix it well. After mixing it well, keep the flame low, cover the lid and just wait for 2 minutes. Tomato itself will give sour taste to upma. If you want more tangy taste, you can add lemon juice now and mix well. Vegetable upma is ready to serve. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.